Want to make money on YouTube but hate showing your face or making videos? Trust me, you're not alone. Today, I'm breaking down how YouTube automation can help anyone earn passive income without touching a camera or stepping in front of it. So, what is YouTube automation? It's running a channel where you don't actually create the videos yourself. No filming, no on-screen appearances, and hey, you don't even have to record your own voice. Think of those animated fact channels or slick list videos that's automation in action. First step, find your niche. Go for something people can't stop watching. Tech reviews, top 10 lists, health tips, finance hacks, or even daily doses of motivation. Pick a topic you can see yourself sticking with, or at least outsourcing with ease. Now onto content creation. You can write scripts yourself, use AI tools like ChatGPT, or pay someone a few bucks to do it for you. For voiceovers, try AI-based tools like Murf.ai, or grab a freelance voice artist from Fiverr for that extra human touch. You get a solid script, a natural-sounding voice, and you're good to go. Next, let's make your video. Combine stock footage, animations, or royalty-free clips, whatever fits your style. Free editors like Canva and InVideo or pro tools like Adobe Premiere Pro make it super easy to assemble everything, even if you're a total beginner. Then upload your video with a catchy title, killer thumbnail, and a description packed with keywords. That's how you get discovered. A little SEO magic goes a long way on YouTube. Once your channel grows, it's time to monetize. Ads, affiliate links, sponsorships, or selling your own digital products, there's a ton of ways to make money once the views start rolling in. And if you want to automate even more, outsource scriptwriting, voiceovers, and editing to freelancers on Fiverr or Upwork. Sit back and watch your channel scale up and your time free up. Start your YouTube automation journey today and transform your passion into a passive income machine. For more AI and money-making hacks, follow me right here at TechBucks.ai.